The story of Oakwood Village. In the heart of a lush green meadow, surrounded by rolling hills and a meandering stream, stands a charming village called Oakwood. At its center, proudly towering above the thatched roofs of the cottages, is a majestic oak tree named Olwen. Olwen, the village tree, is a symbol of strength, wisdom, and unity for the villagers. Her sprawling branches provide shade for the villagers to gather, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. The tree's massive trunk is adorned with carvings that tell the history of Oakwood Village, and its roots delve deep into the earth, nourishing the soil and all who call Oakwood home. The villagers live in harmony with nature, tending to their gardens, orchards, and livestock. They respect and cherish Olwen, knowing that her presence brings joy, comfort, and a sense of belonging to their little community. Hope you enjoyed the story of Oakwood Village. See you next time.